What's up guys, welcome to the part 2 of the Blender user interface in version 3.4. To begin with, scene collection. Okay, so with the scene collection, we have collection which comes with camera, which is this one right over here, cube, which is this, light, which is this. So somebody may ask, where is my camera? This is your camera in Blender, this is your light, and this is your cube. After that, this is the editor type under properties. So you see, when you click on it, you see the same things that we went through under the editor type under 3D. We have the active tool and workspace settings. So this is the active tool and workspace settings. After the active tool, we have render properties, which comes with EV, workbench, cycles, engines. Okay, so you can see that your render is at 64. You can choose to increase it, you can choose to leave it. You can add so many things to it, such as depth of field, motion blur, volumetrics, performance, curves, shadow, themes, etc. After the render properties, we have the output properties, which comes with format, frame range, output, metadata, post-processing. After the output properties, we have the view layer properties, which comes with view layers, passes, light, effects, cryptomatte, shader AOV, and custom properties. After the view layer properties, we have scene properties, which come with scenes, camera, backgrounds, active clip, units, gravity, keying sets, audio, rigid body world, custom properties. After that, we have the world properties. As you can see, the surface, we have volumes, we have mist path, we have viewport display, we have custom properties. So this is the viewport display. You can choose to change the colors. We have mist path, which comes with start, depth, and fall off. Okay, with the volume, it comes with volume. So right now it's set to none, and that is it. After that, we have the collection properties, which comes with restrictions, instancing, line art, custom properties. So you can choose to do your own collection properties. Under the cube properties, we have transform, relation, collection, instancing, motion path, visibility, viewport display, line arts, custom properties. That is under the cube properties or object properties. Okay, after that, we have the modifier properties, which comes with, under the modifier, we have data transfer, mesh sketch, mesh sequence sketch, normal edit, widget, normal, UV project, UV unwrap, vectors with edit, vectors with mesh, vectors with proximity. Under the generate, we have array, bevel, boolean, build, disseminate, edge split, and etc. So under the modifier too, we have modifier, generate, deform, and physics. Okay, after that, we have the particle properties. So under the particle properties, you have to add particle system slot to get some effect done. Okay, after that, we have the physics properties, which comes with force field, collision, float, dynamic paint, soft body, rigid body constraint. After the physics properties, we have object constraint properties, which comes with motion tracking, transform, tracking, relations, and etc. So under the motion tracking, we have camera solver, follow track, object solver. Under the transform, we have copy location, copy rotation, copy scale, copy transforms, and etc. After the tracking, we have clamp to, dump track, lock track, sketch to, track to. Under relation, we have action, armature, chart off, floor, follow path, pivot, shrink wrap. After object constraint property, we have the object data property, which comes with vectors, groups, shapes, shape keys, UV maps, color attributes, face maps, attributes, normals, texture, remesh, geometric data, custom properties, and that is it. So after that, we have the material properties. Under the material properties, we have cube/material, we have previews, surfaces, volumes, settings, line art, viewport display, and custom properties. Okay, so after the material properties, we have the texture properties, which comes with brushes and brush mask. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time in my next tutorial.